Hi everybody, I am a general contractor in Pennsylvania, and right now we're experiencing the beginning of a polar vortex that's going to last for about a week. We're going to have extreme cold temperatures, extended periods of time in single digits. We just had 2 days of rain here and minor flooding, now plunging from almost 60 degrees down to 7 degrees in the matter of a few hours here. So there's going to be expecting some power outages, trees coming down. So the most common thing that happened the last time we had a polar vortex was freezing and bursting pipes. I had 3 different jobs at the same time responding to emergencies at different people's homes due to bursting pipes and water damage after the last polar vortex. So I want to give you a couple tips on things you can do to prepare for potential problems you might have in your home during a polar vortex or some other extreme cold event where you expect to lose power. This is a gas oven. You can use this in an emergency situation to heat your house. Now, it's not recommended to do this because it could be dangerous if you have a small child that walks near it, or someone isn't paying attention and there's a piece of paper or cardboard near the oven that can catch fire. But just in an emergency situation, if you absolutely have to have heat in your house, you can turn on a gas oven and light all of the cooktops, and it will give you some heat in your house. So your electric igniter isn't going to work to light the flame, but what you can do is turn the gas on and use a lighter to light the flame. Place a space heater underneath of any exposed water lines in your basement near an exterior wall where you suspect that they could possibly freeze. If you have outside hose bibs, make sure that you turn off the inside shutoff valve. You should have a valve that looks like this inside of your basement, on the inside of where your hose bibs are. So close that and then go outside and open the hose bib outside to let the water out, and that will prevent the water that's inside of the lines from expanding and bursting your hose bib, causing a leak later after the temperature rises again. If you have well water instead of public water and you lose power, you're not going to be able to flush your toilets. So in this situation, if you're expecting to lose power, you should fill up some large pots of water or buckets ahead of time, or you can also fill a bathtub and leave the water in it so you can go back and get water later. And if you pour the water slowly into the toilet, it will flush the toilet. Leave the doors on your kitchen sink cabinet open so the heat from your house can help prevent the pipes from freezing. If anybody finds themselves in an emergency situation, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll see if there's something I can do to help.